Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Because I feel like you guys are separated from someone because of some type of like codependent behaviors that they have. Or they could be stuck in a codependent situation with an ex. So it's like this person still has feelings for you. You have feelings for them. But you can't be together because somebody needs to get it together. But let's just see. Give me one card for each, please. Clarify, retreat. Trust, yeah. You two, basically, it's like either you live at a distance from this person or you guys are keeping your distance because this person broke your trust. Clarify codependency. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So, I'm feeling like because of some type of like codependent, like I was telling you before, behaviors, or they're stuck in a codependent situation with someone, they're needing to get out of that. You know, whether they're in, they could be engaged or somewhat committed to someone else, but I feel like they want to have this with you. But they need to let go of some type of codependency that they have. That's the issue. Okay, tell me about release your ex. Heart-to-heart conversations. Yeah, they want to talk to you about this situation that they're in with some type of ex here. Clarify romantic feelings. Romantic feelings for Leo, please. Attraction. Yeah, this person is definitely still attracted to you. They still have feelings for you, but they got to get this together. Love yourself first. Bottom of the deck. Yeah. Leo, y'all gonna make me work today. Oh, let's just hop in because, Lord, this energy already. Okay, let's just see what's going on. Alright, guys, let's see. Bottom of the deck, Page of Cups reversed. So, yeah, somebody's withholding an offer, and they're realizing that they were being very immature and childish towards you in the past. Alright, Leo, let's see. Ooh, Page of Pentacles tried to jump out reverse. See what I'm saying? This is letting me know somebody is in some type of codependent situation, or there is codependency, so that just clarified that. And this is why they're feeling like they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I feel like this person knows you want the truth from them. Remember I told you they have heart-to-heart conversations underneath release your ex, so they know you want to hear from them. They know that you deserve the truth, but they also know your guard is up, and this is why there's some hesitation here, because y'all will go off on somebody. Y'all already know this, you know? And I'm seeing here that somebody's making a decision to make a change. Yeah, whoever's been messing up, they're making changes, guys. Tell me more. Because they want stability with you. Remember I told you, it's like you guys, you basically want the same thing. Remember I told you the engagement card came out? So it's like this person definitely sees taking things to the next level when it comes to you, but there's still someone in the background holding on. And that could be that ex. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But I'm seeing that this person definitely wants to balance things out with you. They want to heal your broken heart because of some type of third-party situation that they did put you in. Sorry, y'all. My sinuses have been acting up today, off and on. Yeah, this person, I feel like in the past they were moving really slow with you, Leo. But they want to pick up the pace. They want to rush in. But this person knows that they hurt you. And this is why they're afraid that, remember, even with the Queen of Swords, it's like your guard is up. You're tired of the nonsense. Same thing here. You're tired of opening up and explaining to this person what it is that you want. Like, you're tired of talking to them. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But see, this person now is trying to make a decision. They're trying to figure out how to make things right with you. When to come in with, you know, towards you. Because I'm feeling like, yeah, this person had you waiting around. Maybe they were in a codependent situation due to some type of financial obligation. But I'm telling you, this person's worried. And I'm seeing that I'm telling you, it's like they know what they want. I'm seeing a lot of decision cards here. So it's like they know what they want which is you, but they're needing to make some serious changes up here. Because see, because of the past mistakes, bad decisions, they feel like they lost you for good. And see, I'm having 2 5s here. This person is really in their head. That's that mental conflict. It's like they can't make a decision to save their life. Even though I just said, like, I'm seeing decisions, but see right here, weighing it up, trying to figure it out. This is them still being stuck in their head. This is them even like fighting with someone or other people. Let me see. See, but there's communication coming in. It's going to come in fast. But they don't know what to do because they're still stuck in something codependent. I can't make this up. Can I tell y'all, this energy is like, ugh. Leo, you could be dealing with another Leo, but I'm seeing that they're trying to have the strength to come towards you. See, they're wanting to take a leap. I told you, they're wanting to talk to you. They're wanting to work things out. See, this person definitely wants to give you a stable, secure offer. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but they're having a hard time right now because of what they did in the past. And they know that, you know, if they come back in, this is going to be like the focal point. Like, you guys are going to have to talk about this. But this person just wants to move forward and not look back at the past. But you have to address what took place. And they know this. See what I'm saying? Look, there's 2 people here. I'm seeing 2 kings. It could be even 2 queens. So remember the whole time. And see, there's the devil reverse at the bottom of the deck, walking away from something toxic. So this person had to make a decision between 2 people. And you're seeing 2 men. It could be 2 women. Y'all already know how I feel about my court cards. But this is why they were having a hard time in the past. You know, because they weren't needing to decide between you and someone else. And that was the problem. But see, now I'm seeing this person is, they're going to have the confidence to come towards you. This is someone who will be taking action. See? They want stability with you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. There's an Aries right here. This person wants to come back like the Emperor. Even the world tried to jump out. I'm telling you, this person definitely wants to have a new opportunity with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But they're afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them because of everything that they put you through. You know, and yeah, see, this person is still moving really slow. But they're wanting to come back to turn things around. But the issue is, they need to speak up. It's like, how is it that they want something with you, but they're not opening their mouth? This is like all... Remember I told you when I saw those 2 5s, they're battling themselves. There's a lot of mental conflict. This is what I'm talking about. It's like they're sad because they really want to have something with you, but because of some type of third-party situation that they're in and a lot of the codependent behaviors that they have, they're not making a move. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. See, this person is afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you because they feel like if they come back to give you an offer, you are going to shut it down. You're going to reject them. But this person chooses you. They want to balance things out, but they feel like it's a little too late. They feel like they're not going to have this new start, this new beginning with you. But they would like things to improve, but they're frustrated because they're feeling stuck. They don't know how to fix this, but they don't want you to walk away from them. But see, they're back and forth with the Hermit. So this is letting me know some of you guys could be dealing... oh, Lord, I'm skipping signs. Sorry, y'all. I'm in the flow, okay? Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. I am seeing a Virgo here. But the way the Hermit just came out is like, yes, they're isolating themselves. And I feel like they're isolating themselves because right now they're doing a lot of reflecting. They're trying to figure, you know, this out. What to do, how to move forward, how to fix this. See? 2 of Cups reversed. Some of them are having to get out of a commitment, but they're feeling like you don't want to commit to them if they do come back. So they're trying to stay positive because look, I can't make this up. They want a family with you. They want to become one with you. They want to have a new opportunity with you. But the way the moon just came out, they're needing to speak their truth to you and express this, but there's still some type of fear here. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Yep, because they were being very immature and childish to you in the past, and this is why they're afraid that you don't want to have anything with them. But this was a lesson. They're going through their lesson, and they learned it, because now they want to move forward with you. Tell me more. Ooh, that's a lot. Hold on, y'all. Something said don't take it. Yeah, that was way too many. Let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but see, the hesitation is they know that they didn't bring balance here. in a situation in the past, and this is why they're afraid you don't want to move forward with them. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. That's that in and out energy. Somebody was being a player and now they're sad. I'm telling you, because they feel like they lost you for good. Somebody could have taken a financial hit. You know, maybe there's a child involved. For some of you guys, it's not for everybody, but I feel like this person wants happiness with you. But see, they're back and forth. One minute they're confident, the next minute they're not. They do owe you an apology, though. But they're trying to remove themselves out of some type of toxic situation. I'm telling you, there's some type of situation here that somebody's in. Could be a home or a family situation. The way the Four of Wands just came out, they're not happy. So remember I told you, when this card came out, it's like my eyes went straight to the child, which is why I said something about a child. So for some of you guys out there, maybe someone is in a codependent situation with someone else due to the fact that there's a child involved or children involved, and they're really not happy in the situation, and they're trying to figure out how to get out of it. But maybe they're knowing, like, okay, if I leave this person is maybe gonna come after me, financially speaking. See, Four of Pentacles reverse, coming after them for financial. I can't make this up. This is some type of home or family situation. Let's see, tell me more. Yep, see, somebody feels like they're going to be left out in the cold financially. I'm telling you, there's like a child or children involved for whoever this is resonating for. If your person doesn't have a child or children, it could just be a situation to where they could be attached to someone else's child, or they could be the child. So this could be like their mom, their dad, their sibling, something like that, where they're always there for them. Take it however it fits, but it's definitely something revolving family and money. See, right now this person's focus is trying to get themselves together financially speaking. See, I can't make this up. There's no balance here with their money. I can't make it up. Justice. But see, that's a part of their lesson. This is their karma. They want to stay stuck in a situation, so now they have to go through this. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. See, y'all, I can't make this up. Maybe for some of you guys, they have to go through a legal situation here, and this is why they don't have a peace of mind, you know, about their money. Because right now, even though they're frustrated, they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to make this work, because they do want to start over and build with you, but they feel like the seeds that they plant with you, they're not going to grow. Because of, it could have been a pregnancy, you know. If, like I said, if it's not a pregnancy, this is somebody that definitely wants to have a new beginning with you. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles, please. Hold on. I'm trying to see whose energy this is. Tell me more. Okay. You guys, it's... Nope, that just confirmed it. No. I'm telling y'all, whoever is in, if this is an ex, family member, whatever, this person is going to go after your person financially speaking, because this just confirmed that this is why I'm seeing they're needing to remove themselves from a third party situation, and this is why they've been hesitating. But I'm seeing the truth is going to come out. You know, they're going to speak their truth. They're going to tell this person that they don't want to be in a relationship with them or a commitment. If they're married, they want out. You know, if it's family, you know, hey, I can't keep doing X, Y, and Z. You know, I'm going to have to make some changes, blah, blah, blah. They're finally listening to their intuition, removing themselves from that situation. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person is worried. It's like I'm seeing I can't even talk. So, Lord, this person. All right, so look. When this card came out, my eyes went to that 4. I'm telling y'all, this is definitely a home situation, some type of family situation. And I'm seeing here that, yeah, they're going to have to give to this other person, but I feel like they're coming back to give to you. This person definitely wants to ask you out. I am seeing a celebration that will take place, but it's going to take place after they remove themselves from this third-party situation. And I'm seeing here that, yes, they do want to have a new opportunity with you. They would like to start something new, but at the same time, they need to open their mouth and speak their truth, because right now they're still holding back. See, there you are. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person looks at you like a blessing, and they want to have you in their life. But see, they're worried. Look at that landing right on top of the 3 of Cups. They're worried. They can't sleep because of this third-party situation that they put you in, see? Somebody from their past, maybe somebody that they have a family with, or, again, it's a family situation. I can't make this up. I can't. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so this person, they're coming back to give you the offer that you deserve, because I'm seeing that they know the truth. They're coming back. I'm seeing direct communication. They're speaking their truth to you. They're going to let you know what it is that they want. But they're still back and forth with judgment. So some of them, they're like, they could be waiting on the judgment. Because remember, I told you, I feel like somebody may be going to court for a situation. If not, it's like them just going back and forth trying to figure out, okay, what do I need to do? Now, if there is some type of judgment involved, like them going to court, they know they're going to have to pay up, you know, give this other person money. So this is why they're losing hope. They don't know what to do. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here. See?